Hey guys, welcome to my Healthy Food Swap series. For this video, I'm talking about food swaps for lunches and dinners. So far, I've covered breakfast and snacking. You can catch these videos in the link here or in the description below. It's simple, tasty swaps that make a big difference in the long haul. Today, I'm sharing part 1 of 2 for healthy swaps for lunches and dinners to help you along with your healthy eating and weight loss journey. So let's get started. First, swapping sour cream for Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides tang, creaminess, and texture similar to sour cream. However, Greek yogurt also offers protein, calcium, and is lower calories for the portion. 2 tablespoons of regular sour cream is 50 calories and 1 gram of protein. About 2 tablespoons of 2% Greek yogurt is only 20 calories and has almost 3 grams of protein. Greek yogurt would be a great substitute for sour cream in recipes like dips like tzatziki or ranch, cream sauces, and toppings on tacos. Since Greek yogurt can also be used in smoothies, parfaits, and overnight oats, it's a versatile food that can take up less space in your fridge if you're using it as a sour cream substitute. What's your favorite way to use sour cream? Let me know in the comments below. Secondly, cottage cheese for ricotta cheese. Ricotta is used in pastas like lasagna and stuffed pastas, pancake, cheesecake, or in breakfast recipes like egg or on top of toast. You're probably most familiar with ricotta stuffed in pasta shells or used in lasagna. Ricotta cheese is fresh cheese that is creamy, wet, and not smooth. It's so similar to cottage cheese, which is also cheesy, wet, creamy, and not smooth. It's a good substitute and tastes very similar. Cottage cheese is a great substitute and tastes very similar to ricotta. I've used cottage cheese for lasagna in the past, and the taste was great. Quarter cup of ricotta is 100 calories, 4.5 grams of saturated fat, and 5 grams of protein, while a quarter cup of 2% cottage cheese is just 55 calories, 0.8 grams of saturated fat, and 7.5 grams of protein. It's a significant difference in nutritional content without a significant difference in taste. You can opt for a higher fat cottage cheese, like a 4% cottage cheese, still have less calories, saturated fat, and more protein than ricotta, still offers the same rich, creamy taste. If you're looking for a creamy, ultra cheesy, and high protein Alfredo sauce recipe that also uses cottage cheese, click on the link here for my recipe. Cottage cheese can also be used in eggs. I've added it to scrambled eggs to add cheesiness and extra protein. You can get that link for that recipe here. There's so many uses for cottage cheese, for savory or sweet. I add it with fruits like berries to make a sweet and savory snack. It's super filling, so delicious. Do you like fruit and cottage cheese? If you're not a fan of the curds, you can also blend it and use it as a base for dip for veggies or a charcuterie platter. I have a recipe for that, super easy to make. You can get that here. I also want to share a super easy and high protein pancake recipe that uses cottage cheese. It's 80 calories per pancake and 8 grams of protein per pancake. You can also get that recipe here. I know this is a lot of links because I love cottage cheese and it's so versatile. Choose fish more often. Do you know that having 2 servings of fish per week meets your omega-3 recommendations? I always tell our clients to get the nutrients from food first and then supplement after if they can't get it what they need from the food. Good for our health are 2 specific types of omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA. EPA and DHA can help lower our risk for heart diseases and strokes. They can help lower blood pressure, triglyceride levels, and prevent blood clots. Tuna and salmon are great sources of DHA and EPA fat, and tuna is much lower calorie and higher protein than salmon. 100 grams of fresh bluefin tuna is just 145 calories and has 1,300 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids and 23 grams of protein. 100 grams of fresh sockeye salmon has 142 calories, 1,300 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, and 21 grams of protein. Health Canada recommends about 200 to 500 milligrams of DHA and EPA per day. Fresh fish is fast to cook. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to pan fry 1-inch thickness of salmon. Steaming is a great option to prevent overcooking. I've steamed salmon with some soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, and green onions, and it was so delicious. I serve it over rice and it's so simple. Canned salmon is a great, easy option to top on salads or in sandwiches. You can add some mayo to make it a salmon salad sandwich. Sometimes I add canned salmon on rice with sriracha, cucumbers, black pepper, and some seaweed. Call it a meal. It may sound weird, but it tastes really delicious, like a poke bowl. Canned salmon has the same nutritional properties as fresh salmon. What's your favorite type of fish? How do you like to prepare it? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennrd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.